In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the HTML of an email you sent from HubSpot. Accessing the raw HTML of your sent emails can be quite beneficial, especially when you need to troubleshoot formatting issues or simply want to understand how your email is structured under the hood. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the HubSpot URL. Once the page loads, you'll notice a login button positioned at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that to proceed to the login screen. Here you should see an option that says Sign in with Google. If you're using Google to manage your account, this is the most efficient way to access your HubSpot dashboard. Click on it and follow the prompts to select your Google account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot dashboard. From here, look for the marketing section. Usually, this is prominently displayed in the menu. Clicking on marketing will open up a variety of options related to your campaigns. Scroll through these choices and select email. This will take you to a list of your email campaigns, making it easy to manage and review them. Now that you're in the email section, it's time to locate the specific email campaign whose HTML you wish to view. Find your campaign from the list and click on it to bring up additional options. You'll notice an Actions drop-down menu nearby. Click on this drop-down to expand a list of actions you can take with your email. To view the email, find and click on View Email from your list of options. This option will open the email in a preview window, allowing you to see exactly how it appears to recipients. With your email campaign open in the preview mode, move your cursor to the main screen of the previewed email. Now, right-click anywhere over the email content. In the menu that pops up, you'll want to select the View Page Source option. This is the step where the actual HTML code of your sent email will be revealed to you in a new tab. By viewing the page source, you can comb through the HTML and make note of any intricate details that might need your attention for troubleshooting or analysis. While this view might look complex, it's the blueprint of your email's design. Remember, it's important to not alter the HTML directly within this view unless you have proficient expertise, as changes might lead you to face rendering issues. Now, with these steps, you've successfully accessed the HTML of a sent email in HubSpot. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.